welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you some upgrades I've made to the van to get it ready for Europe. So another upgrade on the van is having the water canister, big water storage in this cupboard. So I've just taken those two shelves out. I'm going to take this one out now. It should hopefully just sit there. So that's what it looks like in. So it takes up most of that left hand side space. Obviously I've got room now on the top because that water canister is going to go and the fridge is going to go with the new fridge on the front seat. So I might build some kind of shelving unit or storage on the worktop. So this is how the new water system's looking. I've got this pump tap here, which is just a hand pump that comes up. And I've cut a hole in the top. As you can see, I've just placed a hose through there. So this will sit on top and the hose will go through. It's just a hose straight down and it just sits on the bottom of the tank and then you can pump water. So I've cut the shelf down. I'm just going to put a little leg there, and then I'll just bracket it up on the far side there, and that should be enough. The board will go back on there, and we've still got this shelf here. So yeah, that's probably all I'm going to do for the shelving. So it's currently sitting here, however I can't get that in and out now with this. So what I'm going to do is just move this post across. These two cupboard doors are a different size, so I'm going to flip those around, put this one over here, and then I should be able to get full access to my water tank if I need to fill it and clean it and whatnot. So what I've done is swap these two over, and that's all done now. I can put the water tank back in there and I can get the water tank in and out when I need to clean it or fill it up if I haven't got good access to a hose and stuff like that. Somebody that I used to know, somebody you're my enemy. Stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you. Ooh. Without you. So these snow chains have just arrived, and I've had a go at fitting them, and they're actually super easy. So that's good, because I think if you drive in the Alps, you're meant to legally have them in your car, and obviously they'll help with traction in the snow. You can see me in this clip just doing some hoovering, but what you can also see is the new fridge. I've strapped it onto the passenger seat, and after using it for a few weeks I'm really happy with it. It's super energy efficient with its eco mode and keeps food cold very well. Right, so it's Tuesday the 22nd of March. I'm leaving tonight to drive down near Folkestone, and I'm getting the Eurotunnel tomorrow to France. Absolutely buzzing, I can't wait. I've just got a few more things that I need to do with the van, mainly just packing it up, going into town to buy a few things, get some gas and stuff. So let's get ready for Europe. Time to head down to near Folkestone, ready to get the Eurotunnel tomorrow morning. It's about 7 o'clock. Should get there for about just after 10. So let's go. Arrived at my little spot for the night. About 10 minutes away from Canterbury, so I'm about half an hour away from Folkestone for the Channel Tunnel. And then I'm gonna get the Channel Tunnel train in the morning. Get up quite early, get down there. I think my departure time is about 9:30, but I'll get down there nice and early. So yeah, been a long old drive, but I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's currently 5:30 in the morning. A beautiful morning here. The sun's about to rise in about 20 minutes. Just getting myself ready. This is where I stayed last night. Really nice little spot. Breakfast done, let's hit the road. Sun's coming up. Right, so I've just got to Folkestone quite early, so I've been able to get the earlier train, which is like an hour earlier, so that's brilliant. So I'll be getting the train at 8:20. I think I'm boarding in about 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm excited. I think I know where I'm going, but we'll see. So should be on the train soon. Catch you then. Right, so I think I've made it through. I'm waiting in line now to board, ready to board. So I'll be boarding in about 5 minutes. Hopefully the gate should open. But I think I've made it through all. Just check your passports like 3 times so far anyway. I guess there might be some more checks as you board. I made it in. I'm in the tunnel. Look. Woo! I can't quite believe that I'm on my way to France. After 3 years, nearly 3 years of not leaving the UK, finally, nearly in France. 35 minutes away. The train's going to be leaving shortly. I'm so excited, I can't wait. It's going to be incredible. Time to just chill out now in the back and wait for the journey and have a little bit of food. I'm quite hungry. I'm here.